Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add credits on your videos using Clipchamp. If you want to give the credit to any person's company or anything using the Clipchamp app, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto the one video that you want to edit. Next, to add the credit to the video, you need to add the text. Here you can find the text option. Now tap on it. Then again tap onto text. Now finally you can write the credit names as you want to add. Like you can add the credit name like director's name or even producers, and also any company name like this. You can also change the font of the text like this. And you can also change the colors according to your preference of the text. And that's it. This is how you're gonna add the credits using your Clipchamp app on your videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.